Right, so I finally got my brand new pedals. I've been waiting for these for like 3 weeks now. I got the colour that matches my bike just perfect. It just matches perfectly. These pedals here are really worn out. Look at the wee studs. They're just like hardly even there. And then these ones here, they're matte ones as well, so they should be a lot more grippy.
That's one.
Nuke sponsor me, please. See, there's definitely a big difference between that stud and that other stud. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, turn on.
I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.